From the beach to backyard barbecues, the long summer days are upon us. Whether you're enjoying a sports game, hitting the hiking trails, or simply lounging by the pool, it's important to keep your electrolytes in check and stay hydrated. Nothing ruins summer plans like dehydration. Actually, I'm feeling parched. I heard Ternot's launching a new product called Quench. I said quench, not drench! I'm super excited to announce Ternot's newest product called Quench, an easy-to-take, on-the-go hydration electrolyte drink. This drink includes coconut powder, B vitamins, and electrolytes. It's available in Citrus Twist and Sunset Punch, and it's only available while supplies last.
Quench. Hydrate faster, recover stronger, and perform at your peak.
Fuel your fun this summer with Quench.
Make sure you go to Ternot.com right away and pick yours up because they're only available while supplies last.